BUBZ, and we're back with another video for you. I'm kind of in a rush. I'm trying to get this done as soon as possible. I'm supposed to be at work right now, but I'm going to drop my car off. Y'all read the title, you know exactly why you're here. This thing is about to get crazy loud, and I'm super excited. Let me give y'all a start up real quick. It ain't gonna be long because I don't got no gas, but y'all hear it. This is what it sound like now. I want to start the video off by thanking y'all so much. I really appreciate every single last one of y'all. Y'all click this video, y'all supporting me. Everything you guys do goes unnoticed. Like I said, you guys click this video, you know exactly why you're here. Y'all want to hear this Jeep get louder. I need the Jeep to get louder. I'm used to the little res delete that I got, but I kind of need a little more bark in my Jeep, y'all. I need a lot more sound coming from the Jeep. I'm going over here. Shout out to my boy Snyder, man. I'm gonna put a couple of his clips of what he be doing. He got some shit for y'all. Right now, I got my mom's with me behind me. She gotta bring me back to work. I can see his truck right there. What up, bro? Hey, what up? I'm gonna show them some of your shit in the vid, man. This is his truck right here, y'all. Yeah, he don't fuck around at all, and he do his things with the bikes for sure. The hell yeah. You got the tough setup in here. Yeah. Got the whole bar, everything. Just mufflers going. Yeah, mufflers just out of there basically. They don't gotta come back no further, no none of that shit. I need it to be louder, but I'd be like, damn, I wish my shit was just a little louder, you feel me? Oh yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Oh yeah. You could get in and rev it real quick. I gotta get some before and after. Alright, so this what it sound like. Alright, cool that. So yeah, just hit me and I got you, bro. Appreciate it again. Take it easy. Yep. Alright, y'all. Dropping it off. On my way back to work. And I'm gonna tune back in with y'all when I'm ready to pick the Jeep up.
3:28 a.m.
Alright, y'all. My man's Ty's outside right now, ready to pick me up. I know you guys are excited. I'm freaking ecstatic right now. I'm super excited to see how this turned out. Alright, yeah. Let's go.
We had to cut it like a couple different times and bend the pipe and shit.
Oh, okay.
It took a little bit. It's loud.
Yeah?
It's loud.
Oh man, that's my man's Ty, yo.
Yeah, it's loud as hell.
Yeah, that shit clean, bro.
It's welded on, cut. We just cut that piece in a couple different angles and bent it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's how we made the corner.
This shit came out perfect, bro. I appreciate you, bro.
Try to make it as clean as possible.
I'm only gonna give y'all the idle right now, but this shit sounds crazy. Alright, y'all, so the Jeep sounds amazing. Shout out to Snyder once again, bro. You did your thing. clean work, A1 work. It's dark out right now, so I'm not gonna finish this vid right now. I know you guys are geeked for it. I am too, so I'm gonna tune back in with y'all in the morning and give you guys that cold start that you guys been waiting for. Make sure you guys got your volume all the way up because this is gonna be crazy.
Soon after.
So as y'all can see, it's raining out. So I'm not gonna set the tripod up. But this is idle right now. You can already hear the difference. If you can't tell, the idle is way, way, way louder than it used to be. But it's raining right now, and I'm not gonna set the phone up and the tripod up and rev it real quick. I'm gonna just wait till the rain died down a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys, but off rip, you guys can already tell. Stay tuned because this is about to be crazy. All right, y'all, I just got out of work. The sun is still out a little bit and the rain has stopped. So I'm about to pull over, park up real quick, and show you guys the new exhaust. It is absolutely crazy. It's literally night and day different. Like, if you haven't yet, go down and like this video, because if you don't like it now, you're gonna like it later. So, all right, y'all, let's get it. So you guys hear that? It sounds completely different. Sounds completely different. Like I said, it's a night and day difference for real. It's starting to get a little dark out, so I'm about to cut this video now. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate all y'all for real, man. I can't say that enough. Follow me on my Instagram. I'm at 40K on Instagram. I'm posting daily there. You guys can stay most up to date on my Instagram. Also, do me a favor, you guys, go down, get this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you can notify every single time I post. I'm on the road to 1,000 subs. I'm at like 750, so you guys help me out. I'm trying to get 1,000 subs. Probably gonna do a giveaway at 1,000 subs, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.